Hi, my name is Garth Neufeld, Professor of Psychology at Cascadia College. Today I want to talk to you about psychology's integrative themes. By learning psychology's integrative themes, you will have a better understanding of what psychology is and what it does. And understanding these themes should make learning a lot easier in your introductory psychology course, because it will provide a structure for understanding it. But first, we need to back up and discuss how courses like this one are generally set up. In every course you take, including introductory psychology, your course has goals related to learning. This happens at every stage of education. So, by the end of an English course, for example, a student who has been successful might be able to read or write at a particular level. Or, in a human biology course, there might be a list of anatomy and processes that students should be able to identify and explain. So, there is a goal, and then there is learning toward that goal, and finally, there is some sort of measurement as to whether the goal has been met. If you want to see the learning goals in this course, they are in your course syllabus. Those goals ultimately guide what your instructor is doing to help you learn. In this course, integrative themes are a major goal of the course. If you look through a traditional introductory psychology textbook, you will notice that it is well over 500 pages and includes hundreds of concepts, theories, and studies. And this is a big challenge. There is so much information in the course that it would be nearly impossible to have a student actually learn it all. And this is where psychology's integrative themes come in to lend a hand. Imagine yourself standing 2 inches from a television. All you can see are individual pixels, the pixels that make up the picture. Integrative themes help us to step back to see the big picture. How does psychology work? What is its purpose? What's the point? Think of it another way. When my daughter was younger, she liked to collect rocks. She could collect 100 of them in a day at the beach, and she really loved each one. But if I asked her about the qualities of the individual rocks, she couldn't tell me about more than a few of them. But if I showed her a way to classify all of the rocks in terms of color or shape or size, she would definitely be able to describe those categories to me. And if I gave her a new rock, she'd know exactly where it goes. One of the ways to think about integrative themes is as categories for organization. They are like 7 containers that you can fill with various content from the course. You see, understanding psychology isn't just about memorizing this or that study or concept. It's about understanding the trends and patterns of human thoughts and behaviors. So, step away and zoom out and categorize. Thankfully, there are only 7 containers in the introductory psychology course. And as you get practice at placing items into them, you'll get better at it. Then, eventually, you will learn that some ideas, concepts, and studies can fit into multiple containers, and you'll be able to explain why. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to explain these 7 themes briefly, hopefully in a way that you understand. Then, you will revisit them as you go through the course. Then, eventually, you won't need my explanations. You'll understand the categories. And when you come to a new psychology concept, you'll know which container it fits into. So, let's get to it.